Building skills.
Building homes.
Building community.
My name is Steve Webb. I'm one of the instructors in the diesel program here at Lane Community College. What we do is we are teaching the next generation of diesel technicians to move into the industry. If you're going to be a diesel technician, you're going to want to continue your training as long as you're in the industry, as long as you're in the shops. It takes 2 years to get through this kind of a program, and you can go to work right into the industry. Brody is a student that joined the program last year, and he is sponsored by a local company, Pape Machinery. They picked him out when he was in high school, and they sponsored him because they saw a spark.
My occupation currently is I am an intern mechanic at Pape Machinery. I grew up working, tinkering out in the shop my whole life with my grandpa and my dad, and I knew I didn't want to be automotive tech. I wanted to go in something that had room for growth, I could make decent money at, and have a good life. If I would have known that this is the industry I wanted to be in, I could have started earlier on in high school getting scholarships, getting grants, working in shops beforehand, so I had some experience before coming in.
The diesel industry in general, a lot of these companies will have entry-level positions. They will have positions that you could actually hold and be in the shop, spend time in the shop. They offer job shadows. Our students have been placed in the industry for over 60 years now. We have entry-level students out there. We have journeyman level students, we have supervisors, we have managers, we even have owners.
So here we have general service workers, and we have EDTs. You know, we have a program to where you learn how to drive the buses, you learn how to fuel the buses, you learn how to maintain the buses. So it gives you a good entry-level spot to kind of come in, see how the shop works.
I'm Dakota. I'm a journeyman mechanic, and I work for Lane Transit District. So some of my responsibilities here are making sure fleet's working good, that our buses are looking good, so they're presentable to the public, and make sure everybody can get to work on time. So I started as a lube tech at Chrysler, and just kind of worked my way up through the ranks there to become a technician. Saw a job opportunity for Lane Transit and decided to take that pathway. They really take care of you here, and great pay and great benefits for working for Lane Transit.
I'm John Granis. I work at LTD. I'm a equipment detail technician. At LTD, the EDTs, equipment detail technicians, come in. We start off just grabbing a bus. We'll drive it around the lot, do a hard detail. Here at LTD, I'm going through the mechanic program that they have. I do have an interview next month to be a mechanic. They're super hands-on. You get to learn the job as you get to apply for the job.
Once you exit this program and you go to work for a company, continue your training, you will very likely be in a supervisory position in a short period of time or management.
Everyone here at LTD has a great impact on the community. As a mechanic, you know, all of them work very hard day and night just to make sure that the community has running buses, everything's going smooth.
You gotta think, without forestry, we don't have wood, we don't have housing, we don't have mills. That's a lot of jobs, a lot of homes that get built just because these machines are able to go out.
So work I do impacts the community on getting to work on time and just getting to and from if they don't have the option of a vehicle. So Lane's very good at having mechanics fix the buses, make sure we have rollout, make sure we have the 80 to 90, 100 buses out on the road to get everybody to work and where they need to be.
And it's kind of everyone at LTD that has an impact on the community. It's from the cleaners, making sure that you're stepping onto a clean bus, to the mechanics, making sure it's running, to our managers, making sure that everything's running smooth here.
We are the ones in the background that keep all the equipment running so we can get the groceries to that grocery store, and we can build the roads and crush the rock and build the buildings. That's us.